Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another review video. Today we're doing Satisfactory store and I love her slimes and I've been wanting to try for a while, so this will be my first purchase from her. And I'm sorry that I've been a little inactive, guys. I've been prepping for a big event which I will tell you guys about later, but let's just get right into the review. So the first time we're going to be looking at is birthday cake Oreo cheesecake. I was super excited for this because she raved about it on her story, and it's this really cute butter base with a little graham cracker crust. The second slime we're going to be looking at is Mini Sprinkled Donut. This is a DIY clay slime and I love the color and I love how much detail she put into this and the little sprinkles, and honestly you can see that she takes a lot of time. So the first time we're going to be looking at is a birthday cake Oreo cheesecake, and as I said before, it has these cute little toppings, and as I poked it, I really like the base and I kind of wish I can just have a separate like 8 ounce of this, but it was very, very soft and very stretchy upon poking it. So as I previously said, we have this graham cracker crust, which is so beautiful and I really wish I can have it separately, but alas, we have to mix it. The end result was very nice. It wasn't like a snow fizz where it's really aggressive on your hands, but it wasn't like a full butter. I really enjoyed it. I think the only thing I would say is that I kind of wish it was a bit thicker. I noticed that a lot of her slimes aren't as thick as I usually like it, but that's just a personal preference. Next slime we have is again Mini Sprinkled Donut, and the same case for this. I really wish I had a separate base for this because it was a little bit thicker, but I really liked it. It was so glossy and just so soft, and I was just speechless. Now moving on to the actual kit. I love how much detail she put into this. Like, I can't get over that. I've said it about 3 times already, but upon squishing it and everything, it was very soft. It wasn't crumbly at all. Again, the same thing I said is that I do wish her slimes were a bit thicker, because even playing with it now, I did want to add a bit of activator. Even with the clay set in, you can see that it doesn't really hold a form when you swirl it, but it was still very soft, and the scent I loved. Overall, I really enjoyed her slimes. I think the only thing is the texture, you know, like being a little more thicker, but overall I would give probably Oreo cheesecake a 9 out of 10 and Mini Sprinkled Donut 10 out of 10, because honestly it's just such an awesome idea. The bright pink that you get before and then the really like almost undertoned pink that you get after, it's really amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And if you want me to review any more other slimers, comment down below whether they're overrated or underrated. I will try my best. And I'll see you guys in the next couple weeks with a few more videos.